Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. This right here, this early pair right here, these are the ones, bro. Like, I've seen a lot of Jordan 1s drop, especially those, and I'm just like, man, the quality could have been a lot better. But this pair right here today, bro, hey, these the one. Let's talk about it.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Truth. If this is your first time tapping in today, we're gonna be doing another early look of an Air Jordan 1 that's gonna be dropping. But I do want to show it to you guys early. Hey, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, do all those great things. But we're gonna go ahead and start with the boxes. You guys can see right here. You got your Air Jordan 1 box, but they do have it with the red and the caramel color right here. Here's the size tag on these things. Make sure you guys are pausing the video if you need to legit check your pairs or whatever. The size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Sale Black Gold and Harvest, man. So these things right here, I've seen a lot of early reviews on it, but it's just like seeing them in hand is just like the one, bro. So let's go ahead and check out this box top. You have the white paper right here, and we do have the Air Jordan 1 Low Rookie of the Year thing. Look at this, man. You know what? I'm gonna turn this camera around. All right, y'all. So now we got the camera turned around. Hey, take a look at these things. Look at the quality of these things, bro. Like, let me get in there. Like, look at the leather quality on these things, bro. Like, this is crazy, man. Hold on. I'm trying to give y'all the best lighting in here. Look at the quality on these things, bro. Like, look at that leather quality. These things are crazy. The suede is sueding, bro. Like, look at that suede on that toe box. You know what I'm saying? Just the stroke motion on there, man. These things are fire. The leather quality on the toe box is crazy work. The suede on the Nike swoosh right here is crazy. The back end of these things has got the Air Jordan logo, Wings logo right there, and the suede does the same thing right there. You have the red on the tongue, Nike Air on the tongue, white tongue. Only comes with one set of laces that I can see right here, and then you have the black outsole, but super clean. As you see the inner side of the sneaker, super clean, bro. These right here are different, but like as you guys just see, everything about these shoes are fire. Look just like the OG pair. When it comes to the quality on these things, I just love everything they did with the packaging and everything like that. But y'all comment down below and let me know, are y'all looking forward to these? Is this something that y'all just on the fence about? But man, when I say quality is not an issue with these sneakers, bro, these things right here are the one. No vintage outsole, no yellowing, just straight OG, pure, just like the original pair. Again, quality is immaculate. The cut is your typical, you know, OG cut, are extremely dope. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about these things. Hit that like button. Again, I'm going to be coming with a lot of early reviews. If you are looking to secure your pair, make sure you guys shop at JD Sports or Finish Line. Get that EA, man, because my people here can definitely hook you guys up. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Gone.